Okay, so here we have the deposit money notice for your buyer, and basically this form lets your buyer know what happens to their deposit money. So when they write an offer, they usually give a first deposit, and then this deposit money notice goes along with it to the listing broker. That's who's holding the money. So you put in your property address, you put in the seller's name that you get from the MLS, and then you put in the name of your buyer, and then the date of the agreement, we'll just use today's date, and then the listing broker. So that's the broker for the seller, that's the seller's office. So let's say it's Keller Williams in Newtown. And then the selling broker, that is our office. Okay. So once that's filled out, you just let your buyer know that the listing broker, which is the seller's broker, is the one who's required to hold their deposit in escrow. And then the seller's broker, which is you in your office, you're accepting their deposit on their behalf, and you will be giving it to the listing broker. And it has to be in the form of a check, and if the settlement is within 30 days of receiving the check, then the check should be certified funds. So make sure your buyer knows that, whether it's the first deposit or the second deposit. If you're within 30 days, it needs to be certified funds. It can't just be from their checkbook. And then that broker will hold the deposits in an escrow account, and then that gets held until consummation, which is settlement, or until the termination of the agreement of sale, if that were to happen.